How to fix Google Chrome not updating on Android. If you're having issues updating the platform or the app of Google Chrome, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to clear the data and cache off the Play Store. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Along with that, also make sure to tap on clear data. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now update the application. If you still cannot, the second thing that you need to do is restart your phone. Sometimes your phone has glitches, and once you restart it, this should be fixed. Apart from this, you'll also need to ensure that you have at least 1 GB of free storage left on your phone. If you don't have more than 1 GB left, then that also might be causing this issue. Now lastly, what you can try out is try to close or force close the application of Google Chrome. So what you can do is tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on force stop and then tap on OK. Once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the Chrome not updating on Android error. Do give this video a thumbs up if this video did help you out. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.